I've literally just got out of the car from Black River. It's probably the most humbling experience of my life, if I can tell you that. The people are suffering. So let's not forget why we're here today. People are in tears, their lives. How can you restart when you're 60 years of age, 70 years of age, paid off your mortgage, and all of a sudden your house, your livelihood, your farm that you had is gone. The relentless spirit of Jamaicans cannot be broken and will not be broken. And I'm happy to call this my home and stand side by side with our fellow Jamaicans, but we need your help and support, and we need it now. We don't need it next year or the year after. We can't wait for years to recover. We got through last year, and I thought that was it, but this one's hit us really hard. So today we need to really get behind the country, all the diaspora out there, all across the world, whether they're in the UK, US, Canada, all the places around the world. Come and support Jamaica. We need it now.
We are proud to join forces with Digicel. Many of you don't know that Digicel is actually our official telecoms partner. So we work with Digicel in the business side. So it was really a great opportunity for us to continue to work together on this initiative. Again, it's not just time to rebuild, guys. We have to recover. We have to support our people, and we have to do this together. As a company, we've always said that Jamaica's greatest strength lies in our people, lies in us. When we come together, whether it be industry, government, parties, and citizens alike, we're going to be unstoppable. So on behalf of the entire Red Stripe family, I thank everyone who continues to give, who continues to serve, and who is actually supporting our recovery efforts. Please continue to believe in this beautiful island that we call home. Together we will rise, we'll be stronger, prouder, and more united than ever.